Alright everybody, this is Ty from 3D Decor RVK and Canon 3D. Just wanted to show you guys a quick video of our completed right palm. It took us about 8 hours to get it printed. But it appears to be okay. It's a bit warped on the sides. But of course this is not the finished product. We're going to get this fixed up real nice before we actually put the prototype in place to be built. So, but overall I think it came out pretty good. So, alright, we're going to take a break, take it easy, and we're going to start printing again tomorrow, and we're gonna probably print some smaller parts out tomorrow because I think we got the bigger prints knocked out this weekend. So it's really great progress on our part. So until next time, this is Ty from 3D Decor RVK Canon 3D. You can check out our website www.3ddecorrvk.com. You can check us out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere. Our symbol is 3D Decor RVK. Alright, talk to you soon. Later.